Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share my Creative Times 145th edition release. Today is the first day of our sneaky peeks, and as always, I am going to share with you the paper products and a little surprise. So starting out, we have this paper pad, and it is called Halloween 2024, and it's a really cute set. Let me jump right in and share those with you. Sorry, I have to have it this way just so that I can get everything in frame. But as you see, the first one has bats along with scripts, and it's like a rustic orange color. Really, really cute. And then the back side has the little pattern on there. And then we have the dot does have a little pattern of like spider webs in the back. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then backside starry background. And then this one, skulls and roses. And then the backside of that one is a script like a gray color. This is probably my favorite of all. I love this. Oh, I hope you can see that. It has pumpkins, a purple one and an orange one with, I don't know if that's a fairy on there. It's really tiny, but so pretty. Love that one. And then got purple on the back side. And this is bat with the witch's hat. Really cute. And this one has like bubbles, so you can pull out that cauldron and use that paper with that. And then on this one here, we have it's pumpkin, however, with a skull face. Just really cute though. And Halloween, it says across there, some bats. All right. And love the back side of this. Love it, love it, love it. And then it repeats. Along with this, she now has enamel dots. Oh my gosh, that coordinates with this. I was so excited to see that. And it has a little bit of specks of gold in there. I'm not sure if you can tell that, but it's 102 enamel dots. I love, love, love that. And they're really tiny. Love that. And not only does she have one paper pack along with the enamel dots, she has two. So let's get into this one. Love the colors, love it. This one's called Bright Halloween 2024. So let's get into this one. So we have the starry background on the orange, really pretty. A little gingham check pattern paper there, and then got some polka dots on the pink background. And then look at this one. This one has a pink script on black paper. That's really pretty. And then this one's like the other one, except for it's in the teal color. Love it. Love that color. And then got to bring back in that gingham pattern there. And then this one has the green bubbles. Like I said, pull out those cauldrons. And then with the black on top of the green. And then the purple background. It's kind of like that rust color orange on the other one. Really, really cute. And then the check on there. And this one has the stripes with all the colors. And spider webs on that one. And like I said, not only does she have the paper this time, she also have the enamel dots. Really cute. If I didn't say, I want to say there's 102 in there. 6 across, 17 down. Do the math if I did it wrong. But yeah, really, really cute. Love both of these. Love them. And so to the papers and the enamel dots that we are showing all this week, we will also be showing the stamps every day. And hopefully you can see those. And we will also be showing the sentiment label die plate every day. And so today we are also showcasing the Starry background embossing folder. I'm so happy that My Creative Time has came out with embossing folders. Hopefully you can see how that looks. They have stars and little polka dots. Really cute. And her embossing folders are labeled with her name at the bottom. Really cute. And then we also have 3 fairy dies, 3 fairy items that we are showcasing today. So we have a fairy 2 dies, which will come 8 in a set. And this is the body, the hair, the layers for the hair, the dress, the flowers that'll go on top of the hair, and then this is her legs, or her boots rather, and then the leaf and the fairy wings. And then for fairy die 3, we'll have 9 in this set. So we have the body, the hair, and then 2 layers for the dress, the leaves that'll go on top of her hair. This is the arms, the boots, and the flowers that will go on top of the leaves, and then the fairy wings. And then we also have the fairy Halloween add-ons. So you'll get your little lantern. This is the layer for the lantern, the hat. I'm sorry, the cat. You'll get 2 sets of hats facing each way. And then these are the layers for the hats. And then the broom, the witch's broom. And then we have the fancy slider die, card die, and then some of the add-ons. And of course, you already know, eventually this will be a tag for me. And I did use it in another way today. So you'll see that as well as these add-ons. And this is the back of the fancy slider card there. These are the extra items that I used. I really like this release. It flowed so well, and I didn't have to use very many add-ons because everything was just like perfect in her release. But I did use the fairy stampin' dies. I just used the arms from this set. Now the body on the other fairy, and I'll kind of show it to you. It actually has like the arms behind her back, but I wanted to add it so that she's holding a pumpkin. So anyways, I'll show you that. And then from the 3.75 by 4.75, I just used that circle there. The ginger costume, ginger boy and girl costume 2, I used that little pumpkin that's right there. And then I also used the rectangle frame die layers, and I used this quite a bit this week. And here are the 2 cards that I created. Really cute. Like I said, love the embossing folder. Love that little tag that goes with the slider card. And it's the inside of the slider card, but I use it as a tag as well. So let's start out with the slider card. So anyways, I have the spooky greetings. And the name on those stamps, and I didn't give you the name. The name of the stamps are, it's called Spooky Season. So these are where all of my sentiments came from this time. So we have the spooky greetings. I did add lanterns down at the bottom, and I wanted to look like as if they're hanging from something, so I did add that on. This is where I used that 3.75 layer. There goes the enamel dots, and I think this set is from the Bright Halloween set of the enamel dots. And then this is the back layer from that slider, and then if it's going to be spooky greetings, you got to say boo, right? So there goes my card. It's just adorable. And I got her little cat that came from the Halloween add-ons. And then let me bring that a little bit more closer so you can see how the girl looks. She does have gems in her eyes. So I thought she turned out very cute in that little sparkly dress. So that's the first one. Here goes the second one. Hopefully you can see that embossing folder back there. I just got some black paper, black mirror cardstock, and just ran it through on there. And then there goes the little girl. Like I said, she does have arms that are behind her back, but I wanted to add the little arms to hold the pumpkin there. And then I did use that 3.75 card base layer. These enamel dots actually came from the traditional Halloween color pack. So. And then I used that paper behind her, and hopefully you've seen all the paper. I went through it kind of thoroughly. And then love this. This is that card base layer, the rectangle layer that I added on there, but just super cute. Then the inside. So I thought I would add in my little sayings. This is the other die that came with the sentiment dies. Put Eek in there and put one of the sentiment dies behind that. And then there was that layer that came with that slider die, and then Happy Halloween, along with that rectangle base die again. But love how both of these cards turned out. Tell me what you think down below, and make sure you come back for Sneaky Peek Day 2 on tomorrow. And if I didn't say, make sure you use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase this Friday. Any other day, it's 10%. Share the love amongst all of the designers. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.